Hey guys, Canadian Stocks here with a portfolio update. This is my TFSA account. Okay, it consists of my dividend stocks and some of my growth stocks. This year we made about $3,000 in dividends thanks to this stock called DFN and SRU. That's about $200 to $250 a month in dividends, which is amazing. If you want to see my buys and sells, check out this app called Blossom. It's for social investors where you can see my buys and sells and my opinions on the stock market. Also, you can follow the trades of other traders such as Brandon Beavis. So definitely check it out. Link is in my bio. So rough day in the market. The Nasdaq was down almost 3-4%. And that came after the Feds decided to raise their interest rate by 50 basis points. Now the market didn't take that very well because the Feds were hawkish, and that led to a sell-off. I took advantage of the situation and decided to buy Algonquin Utilities because it is down 40%. Now the great thing about Algonquin Utilities is the yield is at 9%, which makes it very, very attractive. And I know a lot of investors are eyeing this stock. However, I do believe the bottom is in. It did sell out. And I also decided to buy RNW, Transalta Renewables. I was actually pretty surprised to see the stock down 17%. You normally do not see moves like this. The stock was moving like a penny stock. 17% down on the day. That was just crazy. But it did come with a 7% yield, and I decided to take advantage of this. Another great thing about RNW, Transalta Renewables, is it is a monthly dividend stock. So you get your dividends on the month and then you can just reinvest them. This makes it easier for it to compound. Now, if you look at my portfolio, you will see that I love monthly dividend stocks. That is kind of my strategy, where I buy dividend stocks that pay on the monthly and I just reinvest them every month as the dividends come in. And that way it makes it easier for me to also calculate how much monthly income I'm making from just dividend stocks. My portfolio is about like 15 to 20 stocks. I got a couple growth and majority of it is just dividends. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. So guys, just do me a quick favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification button, and like, comment, and share.